Hello everyone, welcome back to VS Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to implement bottom navigation in KivyMD, a powerful framework for building cross-platform applications with Python. Bottom navigation is a common UI pattern used in mobile apps, and we'll see how to create it using KivyMD. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of how to set up and use bottom navigation in your KivyMD apps. Before we start, make sure you have Kivy and KivyMD installed in your Python environment. If you have not already, you can install them using pip. Let's begin by importing the necessary libraries. We will need MD app, MD screen, MD bottom navigation, and MD bottom navigation item from KivyMD. Next, we will define our main app class that inherits from MD app. Now let's create a class for our main screen, bottom nav example screen. This is where we will set up our bottom navigation component and tabs. Inside bottom nav example screen, we create 3 navigation items, tabs, and add content to each one. Each tab has a name, text, and icon that will appear on the tab button. We add labels as content to each tab, but you can replace them with any widgets or layout of your choice. Finally, we run our KivyMD app by creating an instance of bottom nav example app and calling the run method. That's it. You have learned how to implement bottom navigation in KivyMD with a simple example. Feel free to customize the appearance, add functionality, and improve the user interface to suit your app needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to VS Tutorials for more Kivy and KivyMD tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. We will be happy to help.